Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Switch 1 Pro Controller to your Windows 11 PC. I was about to say Nintendo Switch for a second there. Let's start this over. Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Pro Controller 1, not the second one, to your PC using Bluetooth. This is actually the preferred method to use your Pro Controller on your PC, just because sometimes when it's plugged in, even with the right cable, it doesn't want to behave or show up correctly. So make sure you've got your Bluetooth settings open, and then you have some type of Bluetooth adapter in or plugged into your computer. They usually come paired with your Wi-Fi card, so if you have Wi-Fi, you probably have Bluetooth. Just make sure you have the driver installed and enabled. So have your Bluetooth turned on, and then grab your controller, make sure it's plugged in. And then on the back, where you've got it plugged into like a cord to recharge it, there's a little circular button. Go ahead and give that a click for, I don't know, the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that, you should be good to go. And then you can go over here to your Bluetooth devices window in your system settings. You can just find this setting if you just look it up in the top bar here. Go ahead and click Add Device, Bluetooth, and somewhere in here you should see a Pro Controller. Go ahead and give that a click, and then bingo bango, it should automatically connect to your computer and you can hit Done. It should be noted that there's not a lot of stuff that knows what to do with Nintendo controllers on your PC by default, so you'll probably need to grab a driver like drivers that are included in Steam, DSX, DS4 Windows will also handle it. There's probably a few others running around out there. So if for whatever reason you want to disconnect your Pro Controller from your Windows 11 PC, all you have to do is go back to your Bluetooth and devices window. It's up here at the top, and then you can just click on these three little dots and click Remove Device. Your computer will then disconnect from it, and I guess forget about it, because it doesn't try to auto reconnect after you do that. And then you should be good to go, and you can pair it to some other device without it trying to call back to this particular Windows 11 computer. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.